What up, guys? It's your boy Packy here with the House Bowling channel today, and I have a challenge for myself. I drilled the oldest ball I could find. So I bought one off eBay, just the oldest one I could find on eBay. I did some research. It's from 1935. So it's an 86-year-old bowling ball, which means it's got that like middle finger and thumb drilling. So I'm gonna take it to West Acres, re-drill it for myself, and then I'm gonna take it to Seneca, get some advice from Justin Romick there in the pro shop, a multi-PBA champion. Yeah, so hopefully he can give me some advice, and then I'm gonna bowl one game at Seneca. Comment down below what you think I'm gonna shoot, how it's gonna react compared to my plastic balls and my newer urethane ball. So until then, I'll see you guys at Seneca. We went to West Acres earlier, stunk up their pro shop with this rubber bowling ball.
I appreciate that.
So I brought in Justin, who he said he's used some rubber balls in the past. What should I expect?
I would have to think that it would be a freak deal for this to work if they made it so dry on the outside.
Yeah.
That this will actually get started. It has a chance.
Okay.
I mean, when I threw it, I was 9 or 10 years old. It was a house ball.
So I'm bowling one game. What do you think I'm going to shoot? Like
on a house pattern, I think you would probably get lined up and still shoot at least 220 with the plastic ball.
Yeah, like I think maybe just a couple 7 pins. Okay. Comment down below what you guys think I can shoot with this ball. I'm going to go take it out to the lanes, warm up a little bit, and then I'm going to bowl my first game with it and see what I got. Hopefully it's not anything too embarrassing.
Side bet on a messenger. The
only chance it has to throw a messenger is that it's 16. I think no chance on a messenger. Got my warm-up in, and this ball does not hook. That's what I've learned. I'm gonna shoot 300 with this thing. No way I don't. Two for two. Almost in the gutter. Ooh! 3 for 3. And I might be bringing this ball to my next tournament. So a little too far left. Can I hook it across the lane? Do you think I can hook it at the spare, maybe? So the one thing is with that ball, when it gets in the oil, it just doesn't hook. I can throw it off the friction and it'll start to make that motion, but once it starts to make that motion, once it comes off the friction spot, it's done. Like there is no more hooking. That's not gonna hook. That one's like too right and it didn't finish because it didn't hook her. But I'm hooking at the spare though. Make it. This ball only responds to one thing, friction. If I stayed here long enough, I think I'd be able to shoot 300. Like if I just camped out here and bowled a couple days in a row, it's thumping really hard. It's gotta be over the logo. Hook, hook. Nasty. Oh. Oh. 16 pounds, baby. 16 pounds just hits different. Just hits different. Oh, push. Another shaker 10. Okay, all right. I mean, I'm not mad about it. I thought this game was gonna be like 220. It's looking like 240 right now. Hook, hook. My God, nervous. Nervous. Oh, that's so bad. Got lucky. Got lucky. Gave him the woo! A chance to capitalize here. And strike for 240. Like 240 is an impressive score. 230 is like average. $240. Okay, there's the miss. Miss in the oil. So that was my very ever first game with the Brunswick Mineral Light from 1935. It's literally the oldest ball I could find on eBay. I bought it and it goes straight, just like I thought it would, and it smells really bad because it's rubber. But that was my first game, 244 with a split blast shot, but I mean, it's a fail ball, so it don't even matter. We got 244 out there, my first ever game with it. I still don't really think it's gonna be a piece that I can add in my bag, but who knows? I mean, it's definitely one, if I'm bringing like 20 to a tournament and I know they're gonna be short, it's definitely gonna make the bag. I don't know if it'll make it out of the car, but it'll definitely make the trip to the tournament.
Yeah, I mean, this would be something that you would take it's like buying insurance. If you have something so short that even your plastic ball is wanting to tip too much down lane, I think this would freeze in the pocket more and allow you to stay on top of it for a long time.
Right.
And the lane won't really affect it a whole lot, where the urethane is going to break it down a bunch. I don't think this would affect it. You'd be able to stay, your talent got to 240. A house bowler bowling one of these, well, both, they'd probably shoot 150.
Yeah.
So you're able to put enough rotation on it to make it want to read soon enough to get it started towards the pocket. Even your urethane don't let you get that far left.
The black hammer is the weakest of my urethane, and that one I was standing on like 14, throwing at the same speed. I was standing on 14, just shipping it left. Whereas even when I shipped this one left, the most I could stand was on 4, 5. So thanks for watching, appreciate it. If you want more videos like this, follow along, and maybe you'll see US Open champ again.
Possibly.
Hopefully, maybe, who knows?